is up and welcome back to another one of Yonke's vlogs. It's your boy Mr. Yonke, and in today's vlog, guys, we are going to be switching out the llantas to the Mamalona. We're going to be putting it back on the 22s for just today because I think it's time to get rid of her. I do have someone that's going to come look at it, so I'm not sure if it's going to go away, but they do live kind of far, so they requested I put the 22s back on, so let's get them on. Take the lug nuts off. Take the wheel off. And then you just replace it with the other one. Put these back in a star formation. If you got 6 lug, just skip 1. Push the wheel all the way in, make sure that's tight. 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 And then you put the other 3. And there you have it. Well, let's go wash her up. Well, guys, it is now time to go meet up the guy for the Mamalona. I have my Mamalona right here in the good lighting, so I'm going to show you guys a little bit of that. So let's get right to it. I think it still has some air in it. Well, guys, valió absolutamente shit. So not only did my transmission go out as I'm about to meet the guy that wanted to see the truck. Okay, not only were we 5 minutes away from meeting the guy,
when that bullshit happened,
not only did we drive a fucking hour to get there, but on my way home all fucking sad after my transmission blew.
Wait. Driving like 10 miles an hour.
Oh yeah, because I couldn't get past second gear. I'm going like 10 miles an hour. We hit a motherfucking pothole. It fucked up my rim and blew a hole in my tire, bro. Like, what the fuck is going on here? I don't think this shit wanted me to get rid of it, but like, they really had to do all that? Like, bro. I'm just playing. Man, I'm pretty bummed out about what happened to the mamalona, though. Fuck. Pero pues, ¿qué le vamos a hacer?
Ni modo.
Come here. Look at this mamada.
What?
You didn't even know about this, huh?
No.
That's just crazy. Se hizo todo un agujero.
How does that even happen?
I don't know. I guess we just hit the pothole too hard.
God damn.
I just work here. Okay, guys. So it is a couple days later. I am home with the truck right here. Oh shit! I thought I had the thing right here. I'm not. Okay, guys. So I am home, like I said, though, and the truck is right here. And honestly, I have no idea what's wrong with it. I haven't checked it out yet. But I was pretty bummed out what happened that day. But you know, everything happens for a reason, and if we couldn't get rid of it that day, it's por algo, you know. So maybe it's destined to stay with me for a little bit longer. You know what? Maybe I might fix it. Maybe another car will show up and we could take that. So I don't know yet. I don't know what's going to happen. But the mamalona is home. It is flat still because I do not have spares. I have the little black ones, but those don't fit in the front. So I'm kind of at a standstill with the truck. I think I am going to park it in the garage. I'm going to kind of clear out some of the stuff I have in here. And then I want to park it up, and little by little, I think I'm just going to start fixing it. If I don't sell it, then it's going to stay parked for a while. I don't really mind, though. As you guys can see, we already got the daily. So that's really what was kind of stressing me out the most, was getting the daily. But pues, ya la mamalona is going to be out for a while, guys. I don't know when she's going to come back, or if she's even going to make a comeback for a whole year or so. So,
pues sí, todo pasa por algo.
Yeah, todo pasa por algo, you know. I might just be some little thing, you know, some whatever little thing, and who knows, maybe it just needs transmission fluid. I don't know. I straight up I don't know. I haven't checked it out, like I said. Pero regardless, it's gonna get put away. So if I do start building it, it's gonna be very slowly in my garage, and it's gonna be kind of a me and Andresito project, you know.
Hey, maybe that's why you weren't supposed to sell it.
Yeah, you know, when he gets older, he's gonna help me out and shit. So it is what it is, guys. I'm gonna leave the video here. So with that being said, I do want to say thank you guys for everybody that was hitting me up with tow trucks and stuff like that. I do want to give a big shout out to my buddy Adrian, because he actually did bring my truck all the way home, and he lives all the way on the other side of town. So once again, thank you, my boy Adrian. We do have the truck now, guys, so fuck it, it's part of the Yonke lifestyle. But that's gonna be it for this vlog. So this is Mr. Yonke. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and peace.